Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.com. I am making this video as a daily recap. Market just opened. It's 5:19 p.m. Eastern Time. So let's get started. I just posted a few charts on the Telegram so you can see that. Right, so those are the one. Let me just go over them one by one. So let's see the EUR-AUD. We can see here that the fib is drawn from here to here, and we are at 78%. This is called three drive pattern. This is a very nice reversible pattern, right? Reversal pattern. So after that, usually from 78, the price goes back to 38 or 23%. Right. So I don't know. As usual, my marks just move themselves automatically. I have them here and then they're there now. So I don't know how that happened and how can I fix it. So I just live by it, no problem. I can always fix it manually again and again and again. All right. So this is what I'm looking at the short on this EUR-AUD. Nice big move to the upside and at least retracement here, if not all the way down for extension, right? Weekly chart, you can see the weekly chart is like this. So this could be serving, this is a big version, right? Like A, and then, oh, sorry, we have one, then A, B, C, two, right? This is the same thing, but a smaller version. Wave one, then A, B, C. You see that? This is B, this is C, and exactly this is what's happening. So from here on, we can drop easily. So 77, 40, 77, 84. Right? So this is the number that we need to put, 7784. All right, so we are sitting just above that and touching 78%, so we can drop easily. Look for short on this one. Similarly, pound Aussie, you can see here that my chart was here. That it's going to bounce from 23% line, but it went down. It opened up, a gap down actually, right? The market opened gap down. Let's see if I'm right because I saw that was to the, yeah, here we go. See, it dropped. And let's see what happened here. Now I'm here. This one, the fib was from here to here, the 61%. And I was expecting that. It may bounce from this 23% line, but it went down all the way here. If you flip the fib now, then we are even more than 78%, right? So yeah, if Aussie is getting strong, then Euro-Aussie gonna drop and this is gonna fail. See, I had those charts opposite. Euro-Aussie to the downside. Where's the mark, man? I had this yellow mark also moved, I guess. Man, I don't see it here. Oh, right there. See, it just disappears, right? All right, so this was, I had it here that, this thing is going to drop, and then pound Aussie, I had that is going to go up, but obviously one of them is going to get bad, and this is the one that's got bad, right? So it was, instead of this, it may drop, it dropped here already, and let's see how far it's going to drop. So I'm going to wait for a new setup, and then I'll post on the chart if I see that it's making a turn, right? It's a big drop here, and then we need to go back up a little bit, right? Into this area. So let's see what happened. Now, pound USD definitely is going to go up somewhere from here, right? So this one also, yellow market is right there. Everything get messed up here. Why? So I marked it that it's probably going to drop here to 34, 34 and then bounce. So that's what it's doing right now. So keep an eye on that, right? Somewhere here or even all the, all the way to 78%, right? The chances are that it may just drop all the way down there. So let's see what happened here, right? This is the one, the pound USD. Now, if that happened, that would be usually because of the probably USD weakness, right? So similarly, the Euro USD is in the same position. It is, you can see here that if I pull the fib, you can clearly see that it is exactly at, actually in between 61 and 78 right now. So this is a prime area for a reversal, and it is sitting at just above the trend line. So if USD gets weaker, this will also go up. Now, USD and pound USD and Euro USD, they will go both, showing the upside setup if USD gets weaker. But why the heck USD is going to get weaker? That's the question, right? So do I have a USD here? No. Do I have USD here? Just to show, no, let me just go into USD and show you that what I'm looking at, USD weakness. Even though overall, I think that USD gonna get strong, but this is the current chart that I made, and I think I posted on the Telegram. If not, I'm going to post on after this video, finish the video. You can draw the fib from here to here, and then it is almost close to TL. And look, 61%, 78% is just above the TL. It may go there, or may turn somewhere from here. If 61 back to 23% line, 78 back to 38 or 23, right? This is all the time. See, from here to here, it comes back here, then it comes back there. So this is 61% of this. This move, 61% of this. This is 127 extension of this. This is the game that happens all the time. This is probably 161 extension of this. Let's check. Not 61, but a little over 70. The number in between 127 and 161 is 141. You see that? So these are the zone, the reversal zone, the extension zone. You work with that with the understanding that if the price makes the turn from these region, if, right, maybe not. But if it is going to make the turn, then you want the confirmation, right? So that confirmation will come from the 7-minute chart. If right now 7-minute chart is on this one, for example, bullish, is going to make the turn, then 7 will have to turn bearish and give you the setup. Only then we take this, the entry, right? Similarly here, see, there's a red candle only, right? What do we need here? We need a reversal candle first, and then we need the price to go above the wave and make a long setup on a 7-minute chart. And that's the entry we take. We don't just blindly take the entry that, oh yeah, it is very close to the trend line, open the damn trade. No. Wait for the confirmation. Wait for the confirmation. Okay. That's the safety net that we have. So these are a couple of them. Now look at the pound yen. Now I don't even have to so many times that you will look at the chart and you will know exactly what the heck is going to happen, right? So what do you think is going to happen here, right? Look for extension retracement, and what do we see? You see that it is exactly touching 127. Now can it drop to 161? Of course, right? Or even more, right? But what we have here, that we know that 90% of the time price makes the turn from 127 extension area. So we need now a confirmation that it is doing in this pair in this location. How? First, we need a reversal candle here. Second, we need a long setup on a 7-minute chart. Only that one we are going to take. If you had done this from there, from the top, let's see how much you would have made. First of all, after reversal candle, you want to see that if you had that 7-minute short entry or not. And that happened over there. It's 918.14. 918.14, if pound yen, let me just go there and show you a 7-minute chart. 918, it means September 18. What time was it? I forgot. 1400 hours. So after 1400 hours, what the heck happened on the 7-minute chart? This is 20. Where the heck is 7? 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Where is it, man? Oh, here. All right, 7. 918, where the heck is 9? July. What? Oh, no. This is not even 80. Let me see here. Oh, I don't even have it working. These charts are not working here. This one, maybe? Input 15, and this is only 15 and 40. So this one, I don't have it. I don't know. I had it, but I don't know what happened. Pound yen, this one, and pound yen. I'll forget it. So I don't want to waste my time. So yeah, this is a pretty big drop, right? So yeah, expect that it's going to go to the upside from here. So it's a nice setup. In fact, I'm going to make it right now, 20 September. Haven't I made it yet? Probably not. Let me see if I have made it already. GJ, yeah, GJ. Oh no, GJ, I had it 20 minutes set up differently. Let me see if I can show you that. 20 minute, look what's happening here, right? On the other computer, I made the setup, the chart. Let me show you here first. This is the one that I made, right? So I'm showing that it was bouncing exactly from here at Friday when market closed, 127, right? But what happened? Market opened and then it dropped a little bit more. Look, from 127, it gapped down and going towards 161. So either 127 or 161 to make the turn. So we're going for 161. So I'm going to redo that chart on the other computer and then, oh, might as well, I'm going to make it here. No big deal. So see this 78, 23, and now going for 161. And it's going to bounce from here, right? So it's a very good setup to go long. If this is going long, what about euro, yen, and pound yen? They're probably going long too. Let's take a look. Euro, yen, no. I'm not going to go long from here. No way. USD yen, no. So these are not a very good setup right now. Let them set something up first, and then I'll tell you what it is. And all of these are not good setup for me, right? So these are the ones: the Euro USD, Pound USD, Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, Pound Yen, right? So we have plenty of setups to look and trade now. And gold chart and gold setups, I showed in yesterday's video, gold video I made. So be aware of that. And I don't know if I posted the gold setup of $1,000 size. So I'm going to post on that one on the Telegram as well. And we take it from there, right? And I'll be keep looking. And if anything I find, I will let you guys know. All right. So this is it for now. And talk to you guys later. Let's get the market game begin. And let's see what happens, right? So good luck and talk to you guys later. 5:31 right now. Okay. All right. So bye for now and see you later.